So hey, what's up everyone? This is your Queen Saliste, and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's vlog or for today's video ay, nagpadala na naman ngayong umaga ang The Meal Plan. So, before ko ipakita sa inyo, I just want to share na very grateful lang ako sa Lord because, I'm trying to do content and then nakikipag-affiliate ako if there are brands na nag-o-offer sa akin like may special offer to get discounts para sa mga followers, friends, families. So, nakaka-bless lang dahil dapat tapos na yung collaboration namin ni The Meal. Tapos bigla silang nag-message sa akin na meron daw silang isasend sa account ko for my commission. So, ibig sabihin may gumamit ng code ko. And hindi ko man alam kung sino, and kung sino man po kayo na gumagamit ng code ko tuwing may pinapost ako na na tawag dito, na mga promotion about the brands, restaurants and everything, ay salamat po sa suporta. And kumbaga parehas naman tayong gigain, 'di ba? Kumbaga tatlo ako, yung brand, and then yung viewers or yung followers or kung sino man, 'di ba? So, so sobrang thankful lang sa Lord when I receive it, when I read the message na, "Hi Ma'am Queen Saliste, would just like to inform you that someone used your code and the commission will be sent in your account." Though hindi naman siya ganun kalaki, guys. Hindi siya malaki. Hindi sa ganun kalaki. Hindi siya malaki. As in, maliit lang siya. 'Di ba? Tamang pangkape lang 'yon. Pero sobrang grateful and happy na ako. Then sabi niya, you would like to continue the collaboration. So, nagpadala na naman sila. And tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung collaboration natin with them. And of course, if you want to try, and lalo na, alam nyo, sinasuggest ko to dun sa mga, walang time magluto and gusto ng diet plan, easy to prepare na, everything healthy. So, sinasuggest ko to dun sa mga ganon. Yung tipong, mga working mom, mga ganon, or mga single ladies na talagang walang time magluto. Kasi kapag yung 999 per month, pag kinuwenta mo siya in 1 month, parang umaabot lang ng 13 dirhams per meal. So, ganun lang siya. So, mura na rin siya, affordable na, at the same time, healthy, and easy to prepare. Talagang lagay mo lang sa microwave mo, sa oven mo, then kalas. Pwede mo nang kainin. So, ano nga ba yung tinutukoy ko at sinasabi ko? This is it, guys. Of course, The Meal UAE. Ayan. So, this is the meal plan for a month. So, only 999 dirhams. So, what is inside? Kumbaga, magpapadala sila sa inyo, guys. Halimbawa, ang o-ordering nyo is like 1 month. Ang klase ng pagpapadala nila sa inyo, free delivery na rin yun, guys, is twice a week. So, ibig sabihin, makaka-receive kayo ng meal plan twice a week. So, kung sa isang buwan, merong 4 weeks, so 8 times kayo makaka-receive within a month ng meal plan ninyo. And bawat kino-contain ng mga food na nasa loob na to ay 5 days. So, kinakailangan lang na talagang nasa malamig na area sila. So, ayan. Nubuksan na natin. So, sa first na marireceive nyo, guys, makaka-receive kayo ng 3 meal a day. 3 meal a day. It's breakfast, lunch, dinner. And then, for 3 days, ang ibibigay nila sa inyo. Like, Sunday, makaka-receive kayo, and the next is Wednesday. Para yung 1 week na yon ay ma-provide niya ng meal. So, yung day 1 niya, eto, papakita ko sa inyo. Day 1 breakfast is French omelette with grilled beans and grilled tomatoes. So, nakalagay dito, carbohydrates, 3.2 grams, proteins, 8 grams, fats, 22 gram, weight 180 gram. So, ang calories lang niya, guys, ay 430.3. Ayan. Classic Catering LLC, Yum Goods. Production date, 24/5/2025. Store of a temperature between 2 degree 4 degree. Basta at least may ganun man. So, kailangan nasa ref talaga siya. And microwave before consumption for 2 minutes. So, pag i-reheat nyo siya guys, tatanggalin nyo tong plastic. And then 2 minutes, yun, ready to eat na siya. So, ayan na, good for breakfast na siya guys. French omelette siya with tomatoes and grilled beans. Ayan, grilled tomatoes and grilled beans. So, fresh omelette. 'Di ba? Carry na. So, ito na yung breakfast nyo for a day. So, pag naubos nyo yan, super busog na kayo. Kasi, pang isang tao lang naman siya eh. Then, ang day 1 lunch niya ay grilled beef kofta with aromatic brown onion pilaf and veggies. So, ito siya. Ito yung beef niya. Yan yung grilled beef. Then, may carrots, may broccoli. And then, hindi ko alam to eh. Rice yata. Basmati rice. So, heavy na din tong lunch na to, guys. Mukha lang siyang konti, pero diet plan kasi siya eh. For sure, mabubusog kayo kasi kompleto siya. Meron siyang fruits and meat, tapos may rice pa. So, heavy talaga yung binibigay nila sa lunch. And then, for the day 1 dinner is meron silang baked lemon white fish with rice and vegetable. Ayan. So, baked lemon white fish with rice and vegetables. Ito yung mga marireceive ninyo guys. And cook na talaga sila. Hindi pare-pareho ang calories. Parang sa breakfast, heavy, lunch, pababa na yung calories niya. Yun. And 250 grams. 250 grams yung niya, bigat niya. So, next guys is for your day 2 breakfast, nag-prepare sila ng croquet monsieur. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko eh. Ayan. Basahin nyo na lang dyan guys. So, white toast bread, turkey bacon, milk, emmental cheese, cheddar cheese, butter, wet flour with added calcium iron, niacin, thiamine, mustard, dried onion, bay leaf, black pepper, and cloves. So, ano siya? Breakfast siya guys na like toast bread na may laman na turkey bacon, milk, emmental, something ganyan. So, yan siya guys. So, good for breakfast na. Kung gusto nyo samahan ng coffee, I would suggest na black coffee, walang sugar, walang milk. Okay na yun. Pero kung gusto nyo naman na maglagay ng milk, okay. Pero, mas maganda kung walang sugar. Ako talaga, siguro ganun kapag tumatanda na, parang na-enjoy ko na hindi talaga masyadong mag-sugar. Mag-sugar man ako very light, pero as much as possible ay no sugar sa coffee. Pero pag weekend guys, aminado ako, mas sweets ako. Like, minsan mag-soft drinks ako, tapos Milo, ganun ang gusto kong ininom. Anyway, ang day 2 lunch nila guys is this one, chicken stroganoff with baked potato wedges, grilled broccoli, and tomatoes. Ayan. So, chicken stroganoff, this one, and then itong baked potato wedges nila na mayroong tomato, mayroong broccoli. It looks, masarap. Lalo na kapag ininit nyo siya, guys. And, by the way, like for example, hindi niya kalimutan yung parang nag-miss out kayo na kumain ng day 2 nyo, pwede nyo pa rin siyang kainin kasi 5 days ang consumption ng isang pack na to. Next is, for the dinner, is the bolognese pasta. Ayan, may prepared pasta sila. Then, ito yung bolognese na minced beef, broccoli, water, tomato, cherry tomatoes, onion, carrots, celery, tomato pure, salt, olive oil, garlic, sunflower oil, oregano, black pepper. So, yun yung mga niya. Pero, it's all less. 250 gram pa rin guys yung weight niya. As for the day 3, of course, ang breakfast na to ay mushroom mini quiche with creamy spinach. Ayan. Ito yung creamy spinach. Hindi ako mahilig sa spinach guys. Parang pag nilalagay siya sa munggo sa church, hindi ko siya kinakain. Tinatabi ko siya. Pero, we'll see. Kasi parang ngayon, tinatry ko na yung mga hindi ko kayang kainin. Lalo kung healthy naman. Kasi wala guys, tumatanda na tayo and kailangan na nating ingatan ang ating kalusugan. Charos! Pero totoo yun. Okay, mushroom mini quiche with creamy spinach. So, eto siya. Mushroom daw. na parang binake siya na pie. Parang ganun siya. Okay, that's the breakfast. And lunch, Thai curry shrimp with saffron rice and grilled tomatoes. Natikman ko na to, pero wala siyang rice. Ano siya, natikman ko na to, kasama ay pasta. Yung curry shrimps nila, masarap. Parang, sabagay, Thai kasi eh. Sabihin ko sana parang lasa siyang parang Vietnamese food, ganun. Thai food. Thai nga eh. So, Thai curry shrimp with saffron rice and grilled tomatoes. Lagi silang may pag-grilled tomatoes, guys. Itong grilled cherry tomatoes. Ayan. Grilled cherry tomatoes ang sinasama nila palagi. Kasi healthy daw yan at saka masarap. So, that's for lunch. Rice talaga siya. Napansin ko na kailangan talaga heavy ang lunch. Kasi parang more on rice, pasta, yun yung parang pinaka-lunch nila. And then dinner, may spicy chicken. Ito yung dinner 3 nila. Spicy chicken wings with potato slice and dip. Ayan. So, ayan siya. Spicy. So, this is not for me because I don't like spicy. Pero actually guys, kapag chinek nyo naman yung meal plan nila, pwede kayong pumili. 'Di ba? So, just don't forget to use my code QUEEN5 for a discount. Kasi kung gusto nyo naman ng ganitong klaseng pagkain, easy to prepare, no need to cook, walang hassle, go na. Tapos, meron pa kayong discount na makukuha using my code. 'Di ba? So, yeah, that's it guys. Yan yung meal plan nila for 3 days. And pwede nyo siyang i-consume for 5 days. Then, ang next na padala nila is Wednesday. So, wala ka nang paproblemahin. Ang dami mo ng food. 'Di ba? Yeah, like this. Paki-screenshot. Okay. Thanks to meal plan. Ayan. So, thank you so much everyone for supporting and for always viewing my uploads. Your likes, your hearts, your yung panonood ninyo ay sobrang grateful ako sa walang sawa ninyong suporta. And thank you Lord for everything. 'Di ba? Malayo pa. Pero kahit papaano nakakausad na. So, thank you Lord for that. All glory belongs to God alone. So, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. And don't forget to follow my page, my TikTok account, my IG. So, yun lang. Spread love. I love you guys. Mwah!